Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix Instagram not sending SMS on iPhone problem. So here are the steps. The first fix is to reinstall the app and clear cache. For this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, find Instagram in the list of apps, locate the Instagram, tap on it, tap on offload app. This will remove the app but keep your data. Wait for a few seconds and then tap on reinstall app. After reinstalling, open Instagram and try logging in again. This should clear any cache data that might be causing the issue. The second fix is to try the web version. If reinstalling is not working, try logging in through the web version of Instagram. Go to your web and type instagram.com. Instagram.com login and simply log in your account and try to use with web. Step 3 is to wait and try again. If neither of our solution work, wait for a day and try logging in again on the app. Sometimes temporary issue with the Instagram server can cause SMS delay. Now the fourth fix is to fully uninstall the app and reinstall again. For this, what you have to do, simply hold the Instagram icon, go to your library, hold the Instagram icon, and now you will get an delete app option. Tap on delete app. It will delete your app completely. Go to App Store, search Instagram, and try logging in again. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next.